In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of charting on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful and versatile platform cherished by traders and investors alike for its advanced features and user-friendly interface. With me guiding you every step of the way, let's dive into making the most of this incredible tool. First, head on over to the TradingView website and log into your account. It's crucial to have your account ready to access all the available features. Once you're in, look towards the top of the screen. You'll notice a navigation bar running across the top. Go ahead and click on Products. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option for Supercharts. Select it to open TradingView's main charting tool. To find the asset you're interested in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the Supercharts page. There you'll find a search bar specifically for symbols. Whether you're looking for a particular stock, a cryptocurrency, or a forex pair, simply type in your desired symbol. Once you've entered it, a list of search results will appear. Carefully choose the specific market and exchange that match your interest to load it onto the chart. Customizing your chart according to your needs is where the real fun begins. First, let's talk about chart types. You'll find the chart type icon, usually defaulting to candlesticks. Click on it to explore different options like bar charts, line charts, or even volume charts, depending on what best suits your analytical style. Now, let's adjust the time frame to fit your analysis. You can modify this using the time frame selector, ranging anywhere from seconds to days, offering flexibility in how you assess the data. Indicators are integral to any technical analysis. Right above your chart, there's an Indicators button. Clicking on it opens a search bar where you can find and add various indicators to enhance your analysis. And if you want to fine-tune any indicator settings, simply click the gear icon next to the added indicator. Don't forget the drawing tools. On the left-hand side, you'll find a toolbar that provides access to a variety of drawing tools, such as trend lines and Fibonacci retracements. These are essential for mapping out potential market movements. Now, let's explore some advanced features that TradingView offers. The ability to save layouts is invaluable. Just click on the Select Layout icon. Manage multiple charts and save your current layout to revisit later. Something else that could game-change your practice sessions is the bar replay function. This nifty tool lets you go back in time and simulate a real-time trading environment to hone your skills. Set alerts freely to notify you when a price level is met, which helps automate monitoring processes. Moreover, the comparison feature is available to value one asset against another or compare two different assets. If you're an active trader, consider integrating your brokerage account with TradingView. This feature allows for executing trades directly from the platform, streamlining your trading experience. With these steps and tips, you're well equipped to harness TradingView's potential fully.